12-year-old named Emma had 1 week to invent something for her school's smart invention competition. She kept noticing that her mom sometimes forgot to lock the front door at night. So Emma asked a question that would change how she saw the whole world. What if a door could think? But a door can't really think. It has no brain. So Emma did something clever. She wrote down exactly what the door should do in every situation. If the person is family, then open. If the person is a stranger, keep it locked. She was thinking like a computer without even knowing it. Hi, I'm Bite, and Emma just discovered my favorite superpower. Every single second, I make thousands of decisions using one tiny rule. It's called if then. And here's the wild part, you use it all day long too. Let me show you. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the exact rule that runs every app, every game, and every AI on Earth. We'll go from Emma's smart door, to Roblox, to traffic lights, and finally to the AI you can build yourself. One rule connects all of it. Let's start simple. A decision is just a choice you make based on a situation. Look outside. Is it raining? That's your condition. If it's raining, you grab an umbrella. Otherwise, you leave it home. You didn't flip a coin. You checked something true or false, then acted. Here's the shape of the rule. If something is true, then do this. Otherwise, do that. If then otherwise, 3 little words. Emma's door used it. Your umbrella uses it. And the AI in your pocket runs on billions of these tiny checks stacked together. Now here's what blows my circuits. Your brain makes millions of these if-then decisions every day, and mostly you don't even notice. Catching a ball? If the ball is coming left, then move your hand left. Your brain checked and acted before you could think a word. Let's catch a few of the ones you make without noticing. If you're hungry, then you eat, otherwise you wait. If the crossing light is green, then you cross, otherwise you stop. If it's cold, jacket, otherwise a t-shirt. Everyone is a hidden if-then rule. Inside LittleAIMaster, this chapter on decision-making is one stop on a whole map of lessons. Kids swipe through stories, play logic games, and unlock the next idea. It's built so you actually feel yourself getting smarter, one glowing node at a time. Here's a rule I bet you know by heart. If it's Saturday or Sunday, then you get to play. Otherwise, homework comes first. Notice that little word, OR? That's a clue there are different flavors of if, then. Hold on to that because we're about to level up. Imagine an app with thousands of people tapping at once. Every tap, every login, every notification, every game move can trigger a tiny decision rule. A busy app can run millions of if-then checks in a single minute. That's the invisible machinery humming under every screen. Remember Emma? Her door didn't stop at one rule. If daytime, ring the bell loud. If nighttime, ring it soft. If someone presses 5 times fast, that's an emergency. Send an alert to the family's phones. 3 rules working together. Her teacher had a name for it. It's called a decision tree, a map of every choice and where it leads, branching like a real tree. And here's the payoff line her teacher gave her. Every app, every smart device, every game you love is built on decision trees. Emma won second prize for figuring that out. Now, reading about a rule is one thing. Doing it makes it stick. In the lesson, kids play a matching game, dragging each situation to its correct if-then action. It's raining goes to take umbrella. Light is green goes to cross the street. Your brain locks it in by playing. Let's meet the 4 flavors of if-then. Number 1, the simple rule, if I'm thirsty, then drink water, just one condition. Number 2 adds a backup plan. If I'm sick, then stay home, otherwise go to school. Now there are 2 paths instead of 1. Number 3 is powerful. It's and. If your homework is done and the weather is nice, then play outside. With and, both conditions have to be true. If even one is false, the whole rule is false. No homework, no outside. That little and is strict. Number 4 is OR, and it's more relaxed. If it's Saturday or Sunday, then you can watch extra TV. With OR, either one being true is enough. Saturday works, Sunday works, and is the strict friend who needs everything, or is the easygoing one who's happy with just one. Here's and in real life, and you use it every day. When you log in, the app checks. If the username is correct and the password is correct, then unlock. Both. That's why one wrong letter in your password makes the whole rule false and keeps you out, and is guarding your account. In the app, kids sort real statements into two buckets, and or or. If hungry and have money, buy a snack, that's and, you need both. If it's raining or snowing, stay inside, that's or, either weather works. Sorting them yourself is where the difference finally clicks. Want a rule with real stakes? If you have a ticket and you have your ID, then you board the plane. Both, always, and an OR rule that keeps you safe. If there's a fire or an earthquake, then evacuate. Either emergency is enough. Same two little words running the world. Let's build a decision tree together the way the lesson does it. The question, what should I wear today? Step 1, always start by checking the weather. That's the root of the tree. Everything else branches out from that first check. Order matters, so let's go step by step. Step 2, if it's raining, wear a raincoat. Done. Step 3, if it's not raining, ask a new question, is it cold? Step 4, if cold, sweater. If warm, t-shirt. See how each answer opens a new branch? That's a decision tree, and it's exactly how software chooses what happens next. In the lesson, kids drag these 4 steps into the right order themselves. Get the sequence wrong, and the tree makes no sense. Get it right, and you've just thought exactly like a programmer. This is computational thinking, and 11-year-olds are nailing it. Now the fun part, your favorite games are packed with these rules. In Roblox, if your health hits 0, then you respawn. If you touch a coin, then add points. If you reach a checkpoint, then save progress. These fire many times every second while you play. And computers are picky about conditions. If health equals 0, then game over. Not 5, not 1, exactly 0. If your health is 5, the rule is false and you keep playing. Computers follow the condition to the letter, which is why clear rules matter so much. The lesson dares you to catch mistakes. If hungry and have money, buy a snack. You're hungry but broke, do you buy? No, and needs both. If it's raining, take an umbrella. It's sunny, umbrella? No, the condition is false. Spotting these makes you a real logic detective. Here's my favorite real-world one. Smart traffic lights use IF then. If many cars are waiting, then give that direction more green time. That's not just a rule, that's an algorithm, a set of steps a machine follows to make a smart choice. You just learned to read one. And this is the doorway into AI itself. The AI you build inside LittleAIMaster learns to make its own decisions, layer after layer of tiny checks. That's why our whole idea is, don't just use AI, raise one. Understanding IF, then, is the first thing that lets you. Let's lock in the words. A decision is a choice from a condition. A condition is something that must be true. If, then, is the rule that acts when it's true. And logic is reasoning with rules and conditions. 4 words that turn you from a screen tapper into a screen builder. You made it, and you now think like a computer. You know decisions come from conditions, that IF, then is how machines choose, that and needs both while or needs either, and that decision trees map every possible outcome. That's a genuine superpower, and it's yours. In the app, finishing this chapter earns you the Logic Master Badge and real XP toward your certificate. Every lesson you clear is a step toward proving, to yourself and the world, that you don't just play with technology, you understand it from the inside. And this is only the beginning. Next, we crack open something even stranger. Computers don't count the way you do. They use only 2 numbers, 0 and 1, to store every photo, song, and message ever made. That magical world is called binary, and it's waiting for you. If this made you see your phone a little differently, that's the whole point. LittleAIMaster teaches kids 11 to 14 to build their own AI, one clear idea at a time. Don't just use AI, raise one. Tap to start your first lesson, and I'll see you inside.